Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to delete products in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to go to the product. So simply you can find the product option on the left side. So just click on the products and now here you can find the product list. Just wait for a few seconds, our web page is uploading. So now here you can see we have products available here. So simply what you need to do, just you have to select the product you want to delete, and after that move to more actions. Just click here and here you will find the option delete product. Simply click on this button, delete product, and now here press the red button and your product will be deleted. So now if you want to remove all the products, just you have to select all the products, click on more actions, now click on delete products. So in this way you can delete products in Shopify.